you see it? Yes. She's way up there, look.
No, don't you the light.
Somebody likes the camera, don't they? Yeah, we do, don't we? My goodness. Are you winking? So there she is. Wow. You see how big this tree is? Whoa, look at that. I wish I could photograph inside so you can see where she climbs up. There you go. Now you've got to fall out or roll over or something. Okay. So, how do we see if we can find out, look at her climbing frame. Where's the climbing frame? There it is. That's the climbing frame. Okay, now get stuck because that'll make it funny. Oh, I've lost my... There you go. Shooting into the light here. Well, she's really in the spirit of Christmas, isn't she?
But if she'd approved, she could have done this.